So we are gonna get a bottle. Well, we did get a bottle of champagne, and we're gonna pop it to celebrate our last night.
Mom.
And you can see here. These are all of the bottles that we've drank in the last month. And the last one is a bottle of Mum champagne.
10 bottles, 11 bottles of wine in 25 days. It's not bad at all.
Yes.
Not bad.
Okay, pop it.
Here we go. Here's to our last night in Paris. Woo! Whoop, whoop, whoop. Come. Come. Yay.
That's yours. I'm sick.
So cheers, it was pretty good.
Cheers everyone, we're coming
Cheers.
home.
Aw. 24 hours later, we're coming home.
Yes. If we're not stuck in Boston or Dublin or anywhere over the mid-USA.
If we have to be stuck, I prefer Charles de Gaulle or Dublin. It's good, no?
See you soon.
Bye. Happy last night in Paris. Here.